Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today we'll be showing you how to make cloves water the right way. Cloves water is known to be very powerful for hair growth, but it can be very drying to the hair. A lot of people have complained that when they've used cloves water, it has broken out their hair, dried out their hair, and damaged it. But today we have a remedy. We're going to be mixing cloves water with aloe vera, so stay tuned. Not only is aloe vera a powerful hair growth agent, it nourishes and hydrates the hair. This will help in balancing out your clove water. It also contains vitamins B6, B12, B2, which help to reduce hair thinning. It contains a chemical compound called alanine, which is found in the aloe vera plant, which boosts hair growth. Now, firstly, we'll start out with making our cloves water. Cloves, otherwise known as clove tisane, is sourced from Indonesia. It has several health benefits, such as it can be used as a herbal tea, it cures bad breath, it helps relieve stress, and it fights cancer cells. Guys, that's how powerful this herb is. Cloves have been heavily linked to hair growth, and this is because it contains a property called eugenol, which increases the blood flow of the scalp. It helps promote blood circulation, which in turn leads to hair growth. Cloves help unclog blocked pores that lead to dandruff. It also contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory purposes that lead to a healthy scalp. However, due to these antifungal purposes, cloves can be very drying to your hair. This can in fact break off your hair if it's not paired with another ingredient to help balance it out. Cloves are known to have so many benefits. It's known to regulate your menstrual cycle, it helps fight insomnia, and it really improves the health of your skin and scalp. And as we all know, a healthy scalp leads to hair growth. We would recommend that you actually apply your clove water directly onto your scalp, not onto the body of your hair. A lot of people that actually experience breakage apply the clove water onto the body of their hair.